Daily, new AI tools and strategies emerge to help you earn or save time, yet many people remain unaware. I understand this can be overwhelming, as the rapidly changing industry makes it difficult to sift through important information amidst distractions. That's where Tech Talk Tech comes in, your streamlined resource for clear, quality AI tools and strategies without the jargon. We provide honest reviews of trending tools so you can make informed decisions before investing. Discover effective ways to generate income through AI, whether you're looking for extra earnings or to automate your workflow. Our straightforward tutorials are designed for everyone, regardless of technical expertise, and will keep you updated on major AI developments in simple terms. To thrive in this fast-evolving landscape, please subscribe. We publish new videos daily that are worth your attention. Be proactive, stay educated, and achieve your goals. Each day brings new opportunities in AI, and we're here to help you navigate them effectively.